Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. So I'm gonna be doing a voiceover for this makeup look. Hope you guys enjoy. Okay, so here I am doing my brows. I am using the Anastasia Day Brow in Ebony, I believe. I'll try to leave down at the bottom bar all of the makeup that I use so you guys can know what I use. So I'm just filling at the top and then at the bottom. Oh my god, this is going so fast. I'm so sorry because I put it in fast mode. Okay, so I'm just filling the little hairs at the top, and then I'm cleaning everything out. Oh my god, this is harder than what I thought. I'm doing the other brow, so yeah, I'm just gonna leave it on fast mode so you guys can see it, just so you don't get bored. Okay guys, so right after I fill in my brows, I like to go in with the concealer. This is the Shape Tape Best Concealer Ever in light neutral, I believe. So I just like to clean up everything. Sometimes I like to do the top too, but for this look I just did the bottom, so basically the lid. And I like to just clean out everything, and I use the same concealer as my primer for my eyeshadow. So after this step, you're gonna see me adding some powder over it before I go in with the shadows. Okay, so I guess I was having coffee. Okay, so now I'm gonna go with the powder. I'm gonna go over the concealer, and that's pretty much gonna be my eye ready for eyeshadow. Okay guys, so now I am going in with a fluffy brush with the color Burnt Orange all over my lid. So this is going to be my transition shade. Please excuse my English. That's going to be my transition shade. So that color is going to pretty much blend out the other two colors that I'll be adding, which is Sienna and Cyprus Umber. I believe that's the color. And I'm adding Sienna with a smaller fluffy brush, and I'm going in pretty much on my crease as well. I'm just going back and forth, just very light motions. Just keep blending, keep blending, keep blending until you like the look. It takes a lot of blending to get the eyeshadow right, okay? So just keep on blending. Okay, and now I'm going in on the outer corner with a smaller brush with Cyprus Umber, and then I'm going back with another smaller fluffier brush, and I'm just blending out the inner corners just back and forth. I like to do like a kind of like a V shape at the end. I just keep adding color. When you use dark colors, always like just add a little bit, blend, then keep adding, and then blend more, because if you add too much, then you might end up looking like a raccoon. So just keep adding and blending and adding and blending until you like the look that you're going for. So that's what I'm doing here. Keep on doing the same thing, blending and blending. Then I guess I got a different brush. Okay, I got a different brush, and I got the color Sienna, and I kind of mixed everything out with that color because I didn't want the outer corner to be way too dark. So that's what I'm. Okay, so after I went in with a cotton pad and I cleaned the eyeshadow that was on my face, now I'm going in with a flat brush and the color Tempura. These eyeshadows do have a lot of fallout, I feel. I mean, they're pretty good, but they do have a lot of fallout. So just letting you guys know, just in case you want to get this palette, it does have a lot of fallout, at least for me. So I'm going in with the color Tempura all over the lid. Yeah, that's pretty much what I'm doing, just to add some color. This color is like a shimmery matte. I don't know how to explain it. It's like shimmery, but like it's not a shimmer. It just has some shimmers, but it's like a matte white color. So I'm just putting that over my lid, and I'm going back with that Sienna shade, and I am just blending out everything. Okay, and now I am drinking more of my iced coffee and then I am adding some moisturizer. I use the Cerave moisturizer for like dry skin. As my skin is so freaking dry right now because of the products that I'm using. So that's what I'm doing. Now I'm gonna go. I guess I'm gonna go. Yeah, that's primer. I'm using a Smashbox Photo Finish primer. That one for the pores. That's the one I'm using. And guess I'm zooming in so I can show you guys. We're here, you know, close and personal. Oh my god, you can see all of my imperfections, but that's good. So you guys can really know if the foundation works, and it does work. It works really good. Okay, where am I going? Okay, where am I going? Oh my god. Oh my god, what was I doing? Okay, I'm back. Okay, so I am blending in everything out. This is the Hourglass Stick Foundation in the color neutral, and I'm just going in with the kabuki brush to blend out everything. I feel that this brush does awesome. It's a Real Techniques brush and it's amazing, and I like to use it for this type of foundation best. And now I am going in with a concealer. So this one is from Milani. I'll leave you guys the products below because I don't remember the name of this stuff. So I like to use like a darker concealer first to color correct. I have a lot of dark circles. It's like a family thing. My grandma has it too. My aunt has it, so it's like a genetic thing. I sleep a lot. Like I sleep a lot and I still have them. So I don't know. I'm using the Milani concealer just to color correct under my dark circles and around my mouth, and I pretty much blend out everything else with the beauty blender, which is moist. Ugh, I hate that word, but yeah, the moist beauty blender to just blend out everything out, my foundation. And now I'm going in with the Shape Tape, best concealer ever. You need this Shape Tape in your life, and that's pretty much to highlight my under eye, my nose, my forehead, and my chin. Now with the same beauty blender. This beauty blender is actually a Morphe sponge. I'm gonna be baking, so if you don't know what baking is, pretty much it's just going to make your makeup last longer. So I do it around my smile lines, nose, and under my eyes. And the one I'm using is from Cody's. I get it like at well, I get it at Navarro's. It's in Miami. I don't know if they have it in like another. Well, they usually have it at Walgreens too. So yeah, you can get it at Walgreens. If you're not from Miami, you don't know what I'm talking about. And it's cheap and it works amazing, you guys. Now I'm just adding some mascara before I put on my lashes. So I just like to add a little bit of mascara before I put them on. That way my lashes are already like ready for those false lashes. So while I am baking, I am going to be putting on my lashes. So guys, lashes are not too hard to put them on. I mean, I do struggle sometimes a little bit, but all you have to do is measure them first, that they are the size, you know, of your eyeball, of your eye. I mean, the size of your eye, not your eyeball. And yeah, you just put them on in the middle, and then you fix them. Like, what was I looking for? Probably a Q-tip, because my eyes are always watery. Yup, you got it, a Q-tip. I knew it. So yeah, I guess I put on too much glue. It got too tacky. So you just have to wait for the glue to get tacky. Wait like 30 seconds. And you just put them on. These are the Demi Wispies by Ardell. I feel like at the outer corner, I did put them on a little bit too like outward. I don't know, but yeah, those are the lashes on. So now I am removing the powder. I'm using an e.l.f. brush. I love that brush. It's like $1 and it's so good. So I like to add my pressed powder with the moist, oh my god, I hate that word, a moist beauty blender or a sponge. So it looks more natural. I do add a little bit of more powder since my skin is not the best, but you can just do it the way you like to do it. Okay, so now I am going in with a bronzer. Yes, this is the Too Faced burnt Circle Soleil, something like that. I don't remember the name. Soleil something. It smells so freaking good. I wanna eat this stuff. It smells like chocolate. It's amazing. So I'm gonna put it all over my cheekbones, you know, to sculpt that face to look bronzy, like if I've been to the beach. But yeah, no, in reality, I haven't been to the beach. Okay, and now I'm going in with blush. Yeah, oh my god, guys, I got this blush at, was it at Marshall's for like $10? Like, what? I was like, nah, this cannot be true. But yeah, it's actually a real Anastasia blush, and it's so good, so pigmented. I like to mix the first two colors on the top row, and it looks so pretty. Like, I've been loving the like blush look lately. So here I got some of that loose setting powder, and I'm gonna just clean out my bronzer, my blush, so you can look just a little bit cleaner, and that blush is just not all over the place. And now I am going to do my lower lash line. Most likely, am I? Yes, most likely I am gonna do. I haven't seen these videos, guys, so like I don't know what's gonna happen next. I'm waiting. Okay, what are you gonna do, lady? Come on, this side. Okay, there you go. Okay, she's doing it. Yes. So I am using the burnt orange, and then I added a little bit of that sienna color. So pretty much the same two colors that we use on our lid. It's gonna go down, and I like to bring it down a little bit so that way, like, I have some lines under my eyes, so that's what I do so that like, they're not as visible. Yeah, I'm just blending out everything, and it looks nice, you know, and smoky and pretty. I'm gonna be doing my lip liner first. I like to just overline my lips a little bit, especially on my upper lash line, on my upper lash line. Oh my god, on my upper lips, I like to just line them just a little bit. And then I'm gonna be adding I added two lipsticks. I add them on the bottom bar, and then I added a gloss that looks so freaking pretty. It's this Anastasia gloss that I got the other day at Ulta. It has like a glitter shimmer, like it looks so pretty on your lips. Look so good, so juicy, so it looks beautiful, you guys. So that's what I'm doing here. Okay guys, so here's the final look. I hope you guys enjoyed. I hope you learned something. It was my first talk through video. This is hard to do. Like, shout out to all of the YouTubers out there making videos. Oh my god, it took me so much time, but I really enjoyed making this for you guys. So let me know what other videos you would like to see in the bottom bar. And yeah, you guys, thank you for watching, guys. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you on my next video. Bye guys.